So before we can continue with connecting this to the box, we need to hang the silencer. So the factory silencer uses this mount hole here and this mount hole here. There is no other mount on here that I can find anyway that holds the factory rear silencer. I'm not happy with just using those two. I really would like an additional support at the back somewhere. So what I've got here is I keep these in stock for just the occasion. So this is like a universal exhaust rubber hanger. It's got a M8 thread on there. So what we've got at the back here is that we've got these two bolt holes that. So that means that this universal exhaust rubber that we carry goes in its place. So now we have created an additional mounting point for the rear silencer. Because I'll be honest with you, the silencer, it's not the lightest silencer. There's a fair bit of weight in there because obviously all the packing and everything in there to make it track friendly.